everybody, welcome to our Italian series of Plum's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Melanzane. Did you know that there's 3 names of this ingredients? Aubergine, brinjal and eggplant. Before we look at the ingredients, please turn your oven on to 180 degrees. This is what you'll need. Grated Parmesan and cut up mozzarella. Some garlic, onions, basil, mushrooms, tin tomatoes and some aubergines.
Wow, Chloe, well remembered. High five, good job.
I'm just going to cut up these. Mom, don't you mind if you cut up the aubergine?
Sure, Chloe, let me help you with that. So guys, when you are slicing your aubergines, you want to make them about 1 centimeter in thickness. You don't want to make them too thick, otherwise they won't cook properly. So about 1 centimeter thick.
So guys, what I've been doing here is brushing my aubergines lightly with some olive oil.
Great, Chloe, that's excellent. So once she has brushed all of the pieces in some olive oil, we are then going to lightly fry them in the frying pan, and in a separate pan, we are going to saute our mushrooms.
We just added a little bit of salt into the aubergines just for a little bit of flavor. Gently fry your aubergines on each side and your mushrooms. Oh, remember don't to burn yourself. It's very, very sore.
Right guys, whilst Chloe is frying off the aubergines, in a separate pan, I'm just going to add the onion that we chopped earlier. Get that sauteing, then add a teaspoon of your chopped garlic, fresh garlic or garlic in the jar. And then we are going to add our tin tomatoes and our fresh basil as well.
Right, our aubergines and mushrooms are done. Now it's time to add the basil into here.
Great, add it all in. Wonderful. It might look like a lot of basil, guys, but it actually goes down to nothing. So this is the perfect amount. And once this is cooked down a bit, we are going to put it in a blitzer, a food processor, and blitz it all up. Can you give that a stir for us, Chloe? Thank you. You're doing a wonderful job.
Added a little bit of sugar into the tomatoes.
And that is going to cut out the acidity of the tomatoes.
Ooh, that looks nice. My cheeks are hot from the stove. My tomato and basil is in the food processor. And now it's time to switch it on. Block your ears. Yo, that gave me a fright. Don't you put your fingers there.
What's the most important part about cooking?
Tasting your food.
What do you think? Good, guys. If you need to add more salt or pepper, go for it. Ours tastes excellent.
Hey, stop eating our food. Time to put everything together. Mom, can you help me?
Sure, Chloe. So what are we doing first?
Put in a layer of aubergines.
Good. So first, guys, you're going to need to put 1 layer of aubergines. Then, what comes next, Chloe?
Then some mushrooms. And then some sauce. And then some
mozzarella.
Some mozzarella.
Perfect. Let's work as a team because
teamwork makes the dream work.
Right, now we're adding the
mushrooms.
Then we are putting sauce all over our first layer of aubergines and mushrooms.
Now add your mozzarella.
And in that first row, we're going to do another layer of aubergines, mushrooms, tomato and basil sauce, and mozzarella. Let's go, Chloe.
Ta-da! Now you're going to add some parmesan onto all the layers, but this is last, and then put the food into the oven. So guys, my melanzane was baking for 40 minutes. Now it's time for the judges to think.
Well, I think it's a really, really excellent meal, Chloe. You can taste the basil, the cheeses, the brinjal. Well done, my dear. Excellent job.
Just one last thing. Thank you for supporting me for a star. And don't forget, please, to vote. Don't forget to join me for another episode of Plum's Kitchen. Bye, everyone.